Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to group rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so there are two ways to group rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and here's how to do it. So in this example we're going to use this project management sheet where we have this project management table, and let's say we want to group some of the rows here so we can quickly hide and unhide rows using this method. So all you have to do is first select the rows you want to group. So let's say we want to group the rows from the row 9 to row 13. And once you have selected the rows you want to group, you can right click on the rows and you're gonna see view more actions, view more row actions here, hover over that, and you're gonna see group rows 9 to 13. And now as you can see, the grouped rows have been created. So we can use this plus and minus icon to group or ungroup these selected rows. We can remove the group by right clicking on the selected rows again and click on view more row actions, and you're gonna see ungroup rows, and with this the group has been deleted. The second option, as I mentioned, to group rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet is to click on view in the top menu bar and select group here. As you can see, we can group the rows like so. You can also use a keyboard shortcut, so Shift Alt and the right arrow in your keyboard should group or ungroup the rows. If you use the left arrow and Shift and Alt, it will ungroup the selected rows. So notice I can group rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.